Welcome back, children. Today we are going to discuss opposite words. They are also known as antonyms. Opposites or antonyms means words with different meanings, words with opposite meanings. So let's learn together. Children, so let's learn the first word. Our first word is ancient. Ancient means something that was used in olden times. But its opposite is modern. Modern means present time. Ancient, A-N-C-I-E-N-T, ancient. Modern, M-O-D-E-R-N, modern. We always do true and false. So, whichever statement is correct, we use true, and for wrong, we use false. So, opposite of true is false. There's nothing in the basket. So, basket is empty. But now the basket is full of fruits. So, the opposite of empty is full. Empty, full. Children, the cost of the ring is $600. So it is expensive, costly, and its opposite is cheap. Costly, cheap, or expensive, cheap. Both mean the same. Now look at the sum written on the board. It's very difficult to solve. But now it's so easy. So the opposite of difficult is easy. The opposite of difficult is easy. The cup is filled with warm tea or warm milk, warm chocolate shake, anything. But now it's cool ice cream. Warm, cool. Opposite of warm is cool. Look at the road. The road is broad. That means it's wide. Wide. Broad, wide. But its opposite is narrow. The path is so narrow, so thin. So opposite of wide is narrow. The boy is giving ice cream to the girl. That means she accepts. But here he is giving the ice cream and the girl is not ready to take it. That means reject. The opposite of accept is reject. Accept, reject. Oops! This boy is very bold. He is not afraid of the dinosaur. But look here, the girl started crying. That means she is very timid. So the opposite of bold is timid. Bold means brave. Timid means coward. Buy, opposite is sell. Buy means you give money to buy something, and sell is taking money to sell something. Foolish. Foolish means doing something that is not wise. Look at this boy. He is firing crackers and he is not taking any care of safety measures. So foolish. This boy is clever. This boy is taking all the safety measures. So he is clever. Clever, foolish. Opposite of clever is foolish. Asleep. She is lost in dreams. She is sleeping. So asleep. Awake. She is not in the bed. She is cooking food. Awake. Asleep. Awake. Asleep. Awake. Children, what happens when we do something bad or when we break something? We get punished. But the opposite of punish is forgive. Punish, forgive. Look at this room. A teacher is there, students are there, so everybody is present. Everybody is present. But in this room, nobody is present. That means absent. Opposite of present is absent. Look at this girl. She is so strong. She has carried weight so easily. Wow, wonderful. But This man is so weak. He is unable to carry the weight. So the opposite of strong, weak. Strong, weak. Here this stone is so smooth. It's shining. But this stone is very rough. So opposite of smooth is rough. Smooth, rough. Children, on your left side, the colors are bright, but on your right side, they are dull. Bright, dull. Tame. Tame means when we can tame an animal, when we can teach him habits, teach him good or bad habits. Tame. But this lion is wild. Tame, wild. Children, look at this monkey. His pant is loose. But here it's tight. Loose, tight. Loose, tight. Look, this boy is pushing a stool. So push. And here this boy is pulling a cart. Push, pull. Opposite of push is pull. The boy is playing the drums. So he is noisy. The girl is telling him to be quiet. So opposite of noisy is quiet. Noisy, quiet. Look here. The boy is throwing a ball. Throw. Here a dog is catching it. Catch. Throw. Catch. Throw. Catch. Our next word is always. Always brush your teeth. Never. Never play with fire. Always. Never. Always. Never. Children, look at the balls in the first picture. They are 2 in numbers. That means they are few. But in the next picture, they are many in number. So they are many. Few, many. Few, many. In this picture, leaves are inside the basket. And in the second picture, leaves are outside the basket. Inside, outside. Inside, outside. Where could fairies be found? In the heaven. And devils? Hell. Heaven, hell. Heaven, hell. Children, opposite of truth is lie. Truth. सच बोलना. Lie. झूठ बोलना. Truth is a good habit. Telling a lie is a bad habit. Very simple. Right, wrong. Right, wrong. Look at this room. Nobody is inside. That means it's vacant. When nobody is inside the room or anything, it's vacant. But next room, many people are sitting. That means it's occupied. So opposite of vacant is occupied. Vacant, occupied. Attack. Attack. The opposite of attack is defend. अपने आप को बचाना. Defend. Children, illegal. Illegal means against law. Cutting trees is against law. So it's illegal. Planting trees, legal. Legal. Abiding by the law. Listening to the law. Legal. Illegal. Legal. Yes. When you say yes, admit. Yes, admit. When you say no, deny. Admit, deny. Admit, deny. The door is open. The door is close. Open, close. There's no light, dark. When there's a light, it becomes light. Dark, light. Dark, light. Children, our last word is polite, using polite words. Thank you, please, sorry. But when you are not polite, you are rude, angry, rude. So the opposite of polite is rude. I hope you enjoyed the opposites. Learn them by heart. Bye bye. Take care.